right onto Glenwood Drive.
I'm heading home. Snowstorm today. Look at that. I'm in somewhere in Saddle River. You know, it's getting thicker.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Okay. See? A grumpy old man used to drive this when he was young. Now he's 63. So I have to be careful because I'm not too much alert anymore. It's not like before. See how thick is this thing? Even though you're driving a four-wheel drive, you know, don't abuse it. This is all thick right here. Can you see it? Here we go. So all those rich people, well, we're doing it at a high beam right now. Alright, in 3 minutes this will stop. I will record again. Here we go. Got 3 minutes of video.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Chestnut Ridge Road.
I'm using a Jeep Renegade. It's all-time four-wheel drive. It's good, but never abuse it. It's only the beginning of the snow. Here we go. Tomorrow I come back here, pick up. Here we go. Stop. Oh, look at you see, it's sliding right now. You see, you have to be careful.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Woodcliff Lake Road.
Here we go. We have a car at the back. Ito i-slide to, kaya ingat to. Mag-i-slide yan. Kaya kung makapal na, you know? See that? Don't fool around when there's snow. Especially downhill. This is going downhill later on. You have to be slowed down, or else you're gonna spin, even though you're on four-wheel drive. Alright. The video is only 3 minutes on Meta AI. So I'm on second gear right now. I'm not gonna pull around, even though you know, I have experience driving snow. See, ang lalim yan, no? You just have to take time. Wala naman tayo sa ano natin eh. May dumadating na sa kabila. Pag nag-hit ka ng brake nito, magpipistel ka. Kaya dapat bahan-dahan ka. Minsan yan, mayayaman yung mga sa kanila. O, tala mo, you know. Pero lalagyan natin sa drive. Yan, drive na. Lalagyan ko pa rin hazard ko. Mamaya tatanggalin ko na. Nakakala nila senior citizen ako. Alright, we turn off the hazard. Let's go. By the time we hit that thing, it's gonna be stopped. Pero I'm not in a rush. Katapos yun, nakakita naman tayo. Alright. Okay, I guess we're gonna pass the green light. That's good. Alright, it's normal. Here we go. Minsan maraming tanga rito nag-drive, tagal-tagal nila sa Amerika. Here we go. See, tingnan yan, tingnan yan. Kinakain yung kasada. Pakita ko sa kanila na, hey, give me way. Now we're going up. Here we go. Yan, ito, tatanga-tanga lang. Dito, ano, tatakot yan. Nating anong kotse nito. Okay, mukhang, you know, four-wheel drive. Ganda, ano yan. Siguro BMW to. Oh no, maybe all-wheel drive. You see? Kung two-wheel drive lang yan, dudulas-dulas yan. Alright. Alright. We just 30 minutes away to go home. If I go straight, it will take me to 17 North. But we're not going there. Konti na lang gasolina ako. Tomorrow na lang. Ito kamukha niya, no? Pag you're not paying attention, mahihit mo yung curve sa kaliwa. Kaya sasabay ka lang sa bakat ng ano. You know, right here. Right. It's getting thicker, the snow. Alright, 3 minutes is gone, it's blinking. Brand new Jeep. Yung patakbo. You know, look at that. 4-wheel drive yan, all time 4-wheel drive. See? You know? Parang Jeep kami, pero mas mahal yung Jeep niya kasi Jeep Wrangler yan. You know, look at that. He's driving only 20. Might as well, if you drive like that, might as well use your blinking lights. Look at that. Bagong bili lang to. Hindi ako masyadong didikit to. Baka mamaya bigla itong ano, huminto. Dumulas ako. Alright. Ito yan. Ito may ilalim, bagong bago pa yung sasakyan niya. I-high beam ko, magagalit sa akin eh. Kaya hindi natin gagawin yan. Look at that. See? Buti, wala masyadong sasakyan. Hindi mo, bubuisi sa akin yung sa likod ko. Alright. Few minutes we will end this video. Kasi every video on Meta, Ray-Ban, every 3 minutes. Come here. We're on Allendale right now. Allendale. Yan, ngayon bibili siya ngayon. Oh, you see? Astig eh. Kinakain pa niya yung kasada. Yan, ibe-break pa siya. See? Nag-iisa lang siya. Tatakot pang mag-drive ng ganyan. Oh my God. Alright. Grumpy old man. You know, it's okay. Yeah. Pag yung time na ano yan, mag-i-stop na. Oh, liliko pala siya. Ba't hindi ako bigyan? Oh, ayan oh. Hindi ka ba nakakita ang kasada? High beam mo natin. See? Yeah. So useless siya. Useless. Bagong-bagong sasakyan. Tara mo. My God. People who got money. Here we go. That's a normal driving right there. This is old-time 4-wheel drive. All I have to do is just pay attention when you're driving. You see? Right here. Dito tayo dito. Maliit na iskinita to. What's pa restaurant? Yan. Yung mga tao na yan, minsan tatawid na lang. Alright. Yan, may nag-clean up na. You know? Alright, your normal driving. I'm driving.
At the next light, turn left.
25-30. There's some snow in the ground. I'm an experienced driver. So that stoplight, we're gonna make a left turn. By the time I've come there, it's gonna stop. So I'm gonna give a space. Hindi ko aabutan to. Mabilis tong
At the
stoplight
light,
ito.
turn left onto West Crescent Avenue.
Okay, lalayo ngayon ako. Kasi yung liliko kasi natin. Yung liliko niyan, bibigyan ko siya ng space. Ayan yung plow. You see? See, that's what? I'm giving space. Hindi, sisiraan yung gilid mo niyan. See, everything is experience. Dito, tingnan natin. Baka may lumuto na naman yun. Alright. Tagal tong stoplight na to. Alright. We're just 8 minutes away. We'll be home already. Alright. You know. Okay. In a few minutes we'll turn off this video. Alright, yellow sign na. We're going. Let's go. Ingat dito. May sasakyan sa loob. Pag liko mong ganyan, minsan pwede ka mag-spin. Pag hindi ka na-pay attention.
At the next light, turn right.
Alright, here we go. Snow again. You gotta be careful. There you go. Mahusay itong jeep na to eh. Here we go. Kapanas no. Yung sa likod, tatakot yun. Nararamdaman mo. Yung stoplight na yun, by the time we come there, it's gonna be stopped. Ito sa sakyan ito, napakabagal. Pero the street is too small, so you gotta be careful when you make a turn. Especially when there's a car. There we go, we're gonna make a right turn here. There we go. Huwag kang mag-hit ng brake masyado. Okay, abutin natin. Tignan mo, liliko siya. Hindi naman siya lumiko. Di ba nakakabuisit? Here we go.
At the next light,
alright,
turn left.
we're going up. Here we go. Alright, 3 minutes over. To be good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 32, 35, we're driving. On that stoplight, we're gonna make a left turn. Take us home. 6 minutes to go home.
At the light, turn left onto Forest Road.
Probably it will stop by the time we... Okay, may sasakyan. Pagbibigyan mo yan, nagmamadali yan. Snow. Signal siya. Pabayaan mo siya mauna. See? Ano, stop ka? Okay. Uber, merong green.
In 2.2 miles,
Hindi mo tutuloy yun. You know? Kasi buti may utak yun. Buti niluloy niya yun, dudula siya pag minintay niya yung brake. Alright. This tricky also. Speed limit over here is 40. Pero hindi tayo nakakita ng agad, puro puti. So, ito, it's gonna make like a winding zigzag. See? Always watch the curve. Saka yung truck ng nagdaan. That's the technique. Pero pag nakita mo puti, you're gonna make your own way. Alright. Everything is experience. Here we go. Okay, pinlaw to. You see the yellow sign? I mean yellow line? There we go. Ikot ang ganun to. And then turn to ng konti. Ayan. Here we go. Here we go. Buti wala tayong kasalubong. Dahan-dahan, huwag mo i-slam ang brake. O yan, may sasakyan. See? Madali siya. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. Step on the brake. Step on the gathering. Ayos lang. Ayan. Alright. Hindi pa nililinis masyado. Dinaanan lang. Here we go. Okay. See what I'm talking about? See, nakakita mo yung kasada? Hanapin mo yun. Sa other side na ako ng line. Alright, we just have to be careful. Just follow the tracks of the yung mga dinaanan. Yan. Mata, akyat. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay. Okay, may sasakyan. Ingat, ingat. Here we go. Ingat yan. You know, 4 minutes to go home. Okay, we're on the stoplight. We're almost there. 2 minutes. Wyckoff Avenue. Alright. In Wyckoff. Next one gonna be Mawa. Alright, we're in a stoplight. Waiting. 3 more minutes to go home. Okay. The light is mabagal. Alright, this car coming. Look at that. Look at that. Nagmamadali siya. Oh, see? Tesla. Okay. It's on motion. Forward drive. Ayan pa isa. You see? Hinihit nila yung brake. Porsche. Oh, yung sasakyan. Isa. Volkswagen. Yung isa Ford. Alright, ayun. Sunod-sunod sila. Dikit-dikit. Matagal na stoplight dito eh. Alright. Soon we go. Oh, ito tingnan natin kung magandang lumigo siya. Handa siya. Okay. Chevy. Tahoe. Okay, it's blinking. Giving us a warning. Tagal ito eh. Buti wala akong sasakyan sa likod. Hey Meta, take a turn off video. Okay, we go. Alright. Okay, we're almost home. Dito, ingat ka dito. Ito, bibigyan ko sa'yo. Kasi biglang ligo to. Yan, dapat bigyan high beam. See that sign? There's a small bridge there. Ingat dyan. Taliko na yan. Diretso pa. Yun, may isa pa tong tatlo doon. May bridge na maliit dyan. Alright, ingat. May sasalubong sa atin dyan. Sana wala. Here we go. See? Ingat dyan. Tapos sumakyat ng konti. Iiwas ako ng konti. May lubak dito. Ayun yung lubak na yun. Ayun, yun. Alright. 2 minutes to go home. Alright. High beam. Ito bababa. Napaliko. Ayan, ingat dito. Ingat. Ayan, may kasama. Tanggal ang high beam. Okay. Okay. We're gonna make a right turn. Yan. Ingat sila dyan. Yan. Yan, doon tayo liliko. May post sa liliko na.
Then take the first left.
Yes. Okay. So we're here on my mansion. Yung poste na yan, nakikita mo, ingat. You're gonna make a loop a little bit slowly. Here we go. Ingat, hindi dudulas ka. Alright.
Turn left, then the destination is on your left.
And that's about it. 5 lang ang speed limit dito. Alright, Meta, I'm home. Turn off video.